Today, we're showing off some seriously silly pumpkins. And guess what? There's no carving, no cutting, and no mess. Just stickers. Let's check them out. Here's what you'll need. Small pumpkins, real or foam, and a pack of funny face pumpkin stickers. That's it. These sticker sets come with tons of eyeballs, mouths, goofy expressions, so every pumpkin gets his own personality. I'll link some good sticker options in the comments so you can grab your own. Step 1. Grab a little pumpkin, any size works. Wipe it off if it's dusty so the stickers stick better. Now, start building a face. Big eyes, tiny mouths, goofy teeth, heart cheeks, whatever you want. Step 3. Line them up. Once your pumpkins are done, line them up like a little pumpkin crew. Look at those faces. See? No carving, no glue, just creativity and giggles. Perfect for classrooms, centers, or decorating your space at home. If you make one, ask a grown-up to tag Shon Stories on Instagram or Facebook. I'd love to see your pumpkin people. See you next time for more crafts, stories, and fun with Shon Stories. Bye, friend.